Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are diving into Lemonade, the rapidly growing platform designed for creators who want to shine in the lifestyle space, whether you are into fashion, beauty, wellness, home decor, or travel. Lemonade gives you a visually rich editorial style environment to showcase your creativity. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Lemonade strategically to grow your lifestyle content, attract the right audience, and build a consistent creator identity. So right now I'm at the website of the lemon8app.com. So this application is available on the Play Store. Okay, and you can just I can give you an overview of this of Lemonade application through this website because it's only available on the Play Store. Okay, of the Google Play Store. You can use it on Android. Okay, so as you can see that this is the overall layout of the Lemonade. In Lemonade, when you sign up on the application, you will get this section like for you section like we used to have in the TikTok. Okay, so it's a kind of a TikTok version but in the form of posts, like people have posted their pictures. Okay, and they have are also written their like text according to their posts. So that's how you can also create your own post regarding your business, and you can also post behind the scenes of your business in this platform. Okay, so you will get different kinds of categories of the post, like you get related to food, beauty, home. You can see that people have shared their recipes as well. So let's see if we want to see any of the posts. Let's check it out. Meanwhile it's opening, let's see if it lets us open without application. So yes, we can open these files, and you can see that people have loaded their post, and they have people has also made comments on their post. As you can see that there are lots of people who are commenting on their posts, so it's mean the audience, the number of audience on the Lemon It platform is in huge number. You can take a benefit of that. Okay, so in this way you can create posts on all these category. If you have your own category, you can also choose that. So that's how you can use it. So these are the categories that are available right now. You can also add your own. So if you want to download the application, you have to click on the app version, and you will be redirected to your Google Play Store. You can simply write Lemonade, and you can download the application from there as well, and then you can create an account and use this social media platform. So that was all about Lemonade. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then,